Good morning, everybody. So let's get right to it and discuss the stocks that we have to watch for today. We got two unicorn in the pre-market pumping. We got K&TE and the other one is still BCDA, still holding the support. Let's wait everybody to come in. Let me know if you can hear me. Let me know if you can hear me all right. Bonjour, George. Okay, let's wait for everybody to tune in. Amjad, yeah, welcome, brother. What you do? What kind of work? It's not flexible, or your boss not allow you to watch streaming on YouTube? Wesley, TNX. Yeah, TNX, we have a huge pump down yesterday. TNX. We got, let me just check. Exactly, yes. We got a fake out yesterday. We have a breakout and the price didn't hold the breakout yesterday, around the 70 cents. And we flushed down almost 40% now. I think we have this test yesterday around 3 hours before the market close. So we don't have enough volatility and volume to break and hold the break, because the break was around the 70. That's why in pre-market is 10%. Yesterday we have green day, but we end up in the day in 18% down. Okay, so this one is not game over yet, because we had a huge pump, so now is correcting. So we have a correction place for TNX, where we're gonna have a reversal around this box. So here we should have a reversal for TNX. Otherwise, yes, it's game over if we broke this box. BCDA, we have a pullback, the same, but this one we did the huge pump yesterday, almost 200%, and now is going in the green side. Amjad working casino. Perfect place. Ramesh said PXMD, we have new news. Okay, we'll see if we got something for this one for today. Still holding the current support over the $2. If we got the new news, we should have the same reaction that we had yesterday and test the $2.90 for PXMD. Xander, welcome, brother. GOEV is squeezing today. GOEV, let's check this one. Today we have a huge pump in the pre-market and dump for mini stocks, so we have to watch out. Nothing much for this one. Really nothing much. Yes, nothing much. The short sellers still having fun shorting this one. Okay, so we'll watch if we have another pump for this one from the 30 cent. Canon Corporation. This one will be interesting if we broke the 30 cent by today, because we got good earnings back in 14th of November. We might have some action for this one. Mina sweep, yes. Target already hunted the stock yesterday. We anticipated this huge pump yesterday. We did a short analysis update for our elite hunters, and yeah, we have a short squeeze for this stock, and we watching for a huge pump. Still now is still pumping. So yeah, we have a trade open for target. It was a good trade yesterday. BKKT is about to test a major resistance around the $1 again, $1.08. BKKT, everybody, is have a major test coming up around the $1. Yeah, the same. This one had earnings back in 14th of November. The same with GOEV. Both of them have a bit of a reaction after the earnings, and both of them dipped for a new low. George, let me just check this one. This one, the same. We have bad earnings and the price got shorted big time. Okay, so this one had no bottom, brother. Down we go. This one go to the center of Earth. It's going to the center, everybody. Center of Earth. So I don't suggest anybody to buy, because we might continue to go down below the $1 eventually. So this one is really weak. As long as we are below the $4.85, not advisable to buy the dip. Okay, we might have a breakout for K&TE. We might have a breakout now in the pre-market. For this stock is doing all right, 53% now. Next level was on the table. Good one. We have healthy food for today. Healthy food on the table. We don't have carbs. We don't have processed food here, because yesterday we hunted for target and XPEV. We did our chart analysis update before the market closed yesterday, and target now is pumping. That's why we said the course or the food for today is a bit healthy, because those stock is not unicorn, or it's not pretty volatile, or it's not penny stock. So yeah, so target hit our profit taken in the pre-market TGT, and now it's going toward the second profit taken. It's doing all right, 13%. We might take our profit on the market open, because I spotted a seller now. You see what's going on here? Yes, we talked about the 121.13, and now in the pre-market is 125. So yeah, we have to take profit for target on the market open, because everybody, we got a major seller around the 127, and we might have a huge pullback. Not that huge, but we might have a pullback here, 118, for a correction. So yeah, target was good trade yesterday, and we'll see if we're gonna have a break or a pullback around the 118. So make sure to take profit on this one. And for the other one, XPEV, we had pulling back. So this one is not good. This one is not good. You know, will be not good if we broke this support on the market open, 16.18. We might have a pullback and test the 17 again. However, if we broke the 16.18, is not good to hold, everybody. Watch out, we might have a huge pullback, because a big seller just added here in the pre-market around the 1768, which was our resistance that we discussed yesterday for XPEV, 1768. See what happened here? 1768, we got the test precisely around this level in the pre-market today, Wednesday of course, and the price flushed down. And I think this flush happened 2 hours ago in pre-market. Yes, so we got a critical level to hold over this AMA, otherwise we're gonna have a nice short for XPEV down toward the 1517 and the 1314. So we might open a short position if we broke this support on the market open. Made sweep, exactly. You don't have to be scared, brother. You don't have to be scared. If you have your strategy set, you don't have to be scared. Good morning, Brian. Okay, KK, thank you for bringing those stocks. HYZN, and plug. Let me just plug those two stocks here and check them out. HYZN yesterday almost 40%. Yes, however, technically doesn't look good. Still, nope, not good for a buying opportunity, because it's still in bearish momentum. Plug, on the other hand, what a huge pump from the bottom, man. What a huge pump, 20%. We already talked about plug, if you remember, guys, back on the 9th 9th of November. We did chart analysis update for our elite 1-day swing trade. We discussed the short opportunity and buying the dip. And now going back up. You know what's gonna happen here for blog? Yes, you guessed it. We gonna get rejected big time before the 482. This is where we gonna have another pullback. Okay, so plug not good here. We have to watch XPEV on the market open and target because both of them we hunted yesterday. We'll see. For XPEV we might close the trade if we broke the support and open short position instead. For target we have to close our position and take profit because we getting near this resistance. I expect a bit of pullback on the market open. If we broke would be good for 138 profit. This will give us again how much? Another 7% or 8%. So we have the two target, 138 or 116, 118. Plus the like button, everybody. Come on, show some love. Love is the way, love is the answer. And the only way to spread love is by sharing our live streaming. And of course liking our live streaming. Otherwise, if you don't like, just dislike it. To start our party, because we always do our live streaming 30 minutes before the market open. 30 minutes before the market open. Yes, so yesterday we hunted for target, doing all right, 14%. And hitting our profit taking the first one in pre-market, so we be ready to take profit on the market open, because on my account now I couldn't close this trade because there is no after hours and CFD accounts. So yeah, we're waiting until the market open to close those trades, and we'll see. XPV is still holding the 1618. If we broke it, game over. And it's not game over, because we could shorten instead, so will be game on if you short down, because we saw a bit of weakness once we didn't break the 1768, but there's a chance for a reversal on the market open. As long as we hold this support, we'll be good for a reversal. Next level. Of course, man, everybody forget the like, because this is something you're not accustomed to, because you don't have a YouTube channel, of course, and liking the video is not intuitive, you just watch the video, you don't have to do something. So this is normal, like many of you forgetting to like or even to comment. Some people here watching our live streaming, and we have a confession lately. Some of you said we just watching your live streaming for years, imagine, and they never comment. And when I brought this up, we got many hiders, or what is the name for that? The people who just watching and just watching, they don't do anything. Background. I will call them background people radiation. No, not NPCs. There's another word. There's another word for that. I will call them background people. There is always, even in nature, there's the background radiation. The same, we have background people. The background people. So yeah, some of you actually watching for years and never commenting or do anything. Mira sweep. Exactly. Pod Monster, good day, brother. Exactly. Future Will. He just remind me by the word. He said lurkers. Exactly. Not listeners, man. Listeners are good because listeners sometimes they give us some advice or give us some ideas or some things they add to our community by listening, because when you listen you understand more. At the same time, when you speak or you write, you put really good value. So listeners good, but lurkers, nope. Okay, what's going on, people? K&T went down. Yo, went down right around this level. BCDA, PXMD, TNX. Yeah, TNX, guys, is going toward this box. So we got a bit of correction for TNX. Yesterday we have a huge pump here. We got shorted. Price went down. So there's a chance for a reversal for TNX for people who like to buy the dip. TNX is going to a really good reversal zone here, 37, 30 cent. If we don't reverse here, it's game over. Now is not game over yet. Look at this. We already did the huge jump, guys. So in just Monday, we up 200%. So this is not downtrending, guys. We're already 200% even though we got shorted from yesterday, almost now 25%, but now it's still 200% up. So this is still correction. This is still correction for TNX. It's not over. It's not over. Good morning. CMMP. CMMB. Let me just check this one out. Yes, looking interesting. 63% for that one. This is absurd. This is madness. But you know what? The resistance is a bit far, man. Yeah. Is a bit far. The resistance is a bit far. Light float. I will pass. BCDA, guys, this one looking really interesting here. BCDA looking really interesting for entry. So both BCDA, K&TE, and Target. Target, we might have a pullback before the market open. Watch out. And BCDA, let me just check if we have BCDA here. BCDA, hopefully we have it. Nope, of course, because it's a penny stock. K&TE, hopefully we have this. K&TE, perfect, we have K&TE here. We might have a hunt for this one instead. And on the other hand, we have to watch Target, guys. Target, looking interesting for today market. And XPEV, we might have a reversal, as we said, over the 1618. We had a good hunt yesterday for our elite hunters. As we said, if we have a good setup, we do trade. So lastly, we did plug before the flush. We suggest to short down or buy the dip, of course. And now we have Target. Yesterday, we suggest a breakout, and we said if we hold the 104.16, we're gonna have a breakout by today, of course. And hitting the first profit taken around the 121, which already hit and broke. And the second profit taken, we might hit it after we break the new resistance that formed now in the pre-market around the 127. So if we go in a smaller picture, we have to see the trigger for a flush. Yes, we have a trigger here, $1 to 125.17. Let's see if we broke this level. I'm gonna close the trade, guys, really fast, really fast. The same with XPEV. If we broke the 16, it's not good. I will shorten instead. If we broke this level, I'm gonna short. Yes, we got a bit of resistance there. We might break it. If we broke it, would be good. And yeah, support is the 16.15. We have 2 minutes left, guys. 2 minutes left. Remember, disclaimer, disclaimer, disclaimer. Live streaming is a bit late. So don't follow me blindly. We're not financial advisor. Do your due diligence and let the price come to you. And never run after the price. We got just 1 minute left on the market open, so press the like, subscribe, because we always do our live streaming each day 30 minutes before the market open. Welcome, John. Welcome. Good afternoon. SPRC, good news. We have big news. Okay, I will put it on the list, brother. I'm gonna check it later because now I have to watch XPEV and target that we hunted yesterday. Yes, we have 1 minute. SPRC looking good. Yes, we got nice, brother. This one is good. I'm gonna keep it on the list. Target, guys. Target is pumping. Okay, let's see if we have a huge pump now. Okay, target XPEV. We might have a breakout here. XPEV target 13%. Okay, target is flushing down. I think I'm gonna close the trade for target, guys, because the price might break the support right now. If we broke it, I'm gonna close the trade with my profit from yesterday. What's gonna be? Yes, I'm gonna close the trade right now for target, guys, before a flush down. Let me just check again. Still holding. I'm gonna give it a bit of time. XPEV, I will keep it. Target, I'm gonna keep it still holding, testing just the support. K&TE is still holding. SPRC, nope. So target, what's gonna happen? Target. Are we gonna flush? Here? I think I'm gonna close the trade, guys. Now I'm gonna close the trade. Yes, right now. So target, we exit from target, guys. Now let's check XPEV. XPEV on the other hand, going on the green side. It's going on the green side, so we're gonna keep it. XPEV, we're gonna keep it. Let's see a green day for XPEV. Target is still holding. Target tricked us, guys. Tricked us here. Yeah, tricked us here. Yeah, it's pumping now. K&TE, SPRC. Okay, SPRC, guys, we have $8.60 or $8.70 should be our resistance. Let's see this one. XPEV, I think we got shorted big time now. Okay, this one is not good now. Let me just check. I think we're gonna have a flash down, so I'm gonna close it. Now let's check the other one. Target. Yeah, targets, I think we're gonna go back down. Time to have a pullback, so that's why we close this trade. Now let's check K&TE. We might have something. So I will wait. Either we have to buy around this dip or around this breakout. SPRC looking interesting now. SPRC looking interesting. Okay, K&TE is flushing down, of course. And BCDA, nothing much. PXMD. PXMD is pumping from the bottom, guys. Watch out. TNX is going a bit up today. We have a nice bounce over this AMA, so this is not bad. TNX, not yet, brother. Not yet. Not yet. We got rejected on the market open, 54. Yeah, we got seller, guys, here. Yeah, we got seller. PXMD, yeah, it's moving. PXMD is moving, guys. Watch out, PXMD is moving now. PXMD is moving. I think we have a bit of movement for PXMD. And SPRC, let me just check. Yeah, SPRC the same. We got some movement. But I don't have a confirmation for entry for SPRC yet. It's look a bit tricky here. PXMD light on volume, guys, like yesterday. It's a bit light. It's a bit light on volume. So watch out for the $2 support. BCDA. BCDA, we might have some action for this one. BCDA. SPRC, nothing much. K&TE. We have a bounce from this AMA. K&TE. This one might give us something. We might have something for this one. K&TE, guys. We might have a breakout now. $2.43. $2.43 is the breakout. We have a nice bounce here from this AMA. And we got a resistance around the $2.43. So what's gonna be K&TE? Let me just put it first here, because SPRC got flushed down, not good. BCDA, PXMD, nothing moving. Yes, K&TE, guys, we might have a squeeze for this one. Watch out. We need to have a retest. Come on, $2.37 at least. $2.37. Are we gonna have the $2.37 now or not? Yeah. K&TE. This might be it, guys. This might be the unicorn for today. With PXMD, 6%. Come on. Let me just put those two here. SPRC got flushed down. TNX. Yes, TNX, maybe we might have a nice bump after we break the 53. However, now we have to watch K&TE because it's getting near a breakout zone. PXMD, guys, is pumping. PXMD is pumping. Watch out. PXMD is pumping right now. PXMD, we have a bottom around the $2. Resistant or profit taking is around the $2.90. And this one, come on, K&T, we need another pump, guys. Come on. What you waiting for? PXMD, 8%. It's light on volume. That's why we have a test here and then we went down. Oh, target, we have a breakout from the 127. Yes, Target is pumping yet, still pumping. So Target, guys, it was great hunt for our elite for Target. Yesterday we did chart analysis for Target for a nice pump. We said if we held the 104, we're gonna have a nice quick pump. And now, yes, Target is pumping, guys. We might have the 138 for today. Really good. Really good. Yeah, the price reversed perfectly over the 124. Yeah, we exited around this wick. Okay, let me just watch the other one instead. K&TE, guys, I'm still waiting for another kick over the $2.44. K&TE, PXMD. Which one will pump first? Okay, we got a winner here, K&T. PXMD, yeah. Yeah. Come on, we need the winner here. We need some winners. Guys, plus the like button and the win. Don't forget to hit the like button. We go live each day, 30 minutes before the market open. Yeah, K&TE, guys, is started to squeeze. Come on, we need some action, more action, more action. Oh man, I think I'm gonna do something here. Yeah. K&T is pumping, guys. K&T is pumping now. Oh boy, we're gonna squeeze. I think I'm gonna exit right now with this one. Come on, what's going on? Yeah. Still doing all right. Are we gonna squeeze or flush? I'm gonna see here. Are we gonna squeeze right now or flush? Otherwise, I'm gonna close the trade right now. K&TE. Okay, I'm gonna exit here. And maybe I'll enter later. Look at this. We have a flush now. And PXMD not looking good, guys. PXMD not that good. So K&TE, guys, we exited just below this resistance because it looked really dangerous. So we exited with good profit. And we might enter again if we broke around the $2.44. It's dangerous zone, guys. We entered here, okay. But entering below the resistance is really risky because we might get flushed down. PXMD, I'm still waiting for this one now. Still waiting for that one. XPEV, let me just check XPEV if we flush down. No, we went green actually. Whoa, look at this, man. I feel a bit FOMO now because I exited with a little loss here because I didn't respect my strategy, which is, as we said before the market opened, we said as long as we hold the 1615, we are good to go to reverse. But you know what I did? I closed my trade exactly here. This is a good lesson, guys. I closed my trade around this candle here, around this red candle. And guess what happened? After I closed my trade, the price reversed right around my support. So I broke my strategy. I don't trust my strategy. And this is the reward. So this is a good advice and good lesson for you guys to stick to your strategy. Don't close your trade early, or don't close your trade before hitting the stop loss. And this is make you lose money. And that's what happened for us by losing money by closing the trade early before test our support. If we held, we could have actually make money, but we close it early before checking if we broke this support or not. Good advice, guys, and good lesson for you guys. Oops, I did it again. My favorite song, man. Freebo, I'm a human, man. I'm a human. I'm made of flesh and bones. It's good, man. I don't like to be perfectionist, you know? Like, I don't be like a robot. Do this and do that and stick to my strategy. Sometimes I broke my strategy, so boo-hoo. Boo-hoo. The most important thing to admit. If you are wrong, just admit it. And move on, man. Move on. Life is beautiful like this. If you never did mistake in your life, you never learn. And and this is a sign of a really bad thing going on in your life. If you want perfection or you want something without error. For me, if I have like or problems, I get bored, man. I like problems. I like troubles because I know that I'm gonna find a solution for them. There is no perfect strategy, Freebo. Sometimes you let the stock do its move and you lose all the money and all the profit. Sometimes you have to close the trade early and stick to your intuition instead. Because I did this strategy and I lost a lot of money. Because I said, okay, the price will reverse. Let's lower my support. I lower my support. I lower my support. And then I check, oh, man, I'm down 50% because I don't want to close the trade and I don't want to admit that I'm wrong. And what you say, Freebo, is take big loss. And this is not good strategy, brother. Okay, so let us watch K&TE, guys, because this one is about to squeeze, and PXMD as well. And the rest, nothing much. The rest is nothing much, guys. There is nothing much going on in the market except for K&TE. I exited from this trade, guys, because I saw a hidden seller here. So it's not wise to stay and lose the profit. So I entered here and exited there with my profit. Even though it's little, profit is profit because the price might get down toward the $1.95. But if we broke the $2.44, would be a good entry over the $2.44. Now we're watching. We might enter right now with small position. Again, let me just put small position here for K&T. And exit if we broke down from the $2.30. Let me just do this trade really quick. And PXMD, watching PXMD still. Man, this one is really light on volume. So this one, yes, PXMD need a breather, need a time, and need a wide stop loss for PXMD. So if you want to enter for PXMD, make sure to have really wide stop loss. Like for this one, 13%. However, the gain should be 25 and more, and even 50%. If we pumped, we might do 50%. So yeah. Again, K&TE is about to squeeze, guys, is about to squeeze. $2.44 should be the breakout. PXMD, on the other hand, not really yet. So we have just two stocks to watch, guys. Two stocks to watch. And I'm going to watch this one because it looks juicy. Now or never. Are we going to break? Now or never. Are we going to break? $2.44. $2.44. $2.44. Not yet. No. I think we have a big seller, guys. $2.44. Yeah, we have big seller. Not good. K&TE, not good at all here. PXMD, I think we're not ready yet as well for this one. I think we're gonna have a pullback now. Look at this. Just 170K. Yesterday, once we have the huge news for this stock, the price pumped until the 11 million. So yeah, we need to have another 1 million at least to go toward the $2.91. K&TE, guys, I think we have a bit of time to consolidate here. Wow, we got a nice consolidation zone here over the $2.30. Really good consolidation over the $2.30. We flushed. Not good. PXMD, it's not changing your mind, but you have to be flexible, man. You don't have to be rigid on trading. Sometimes the trade will be good, then something change. You have to change your strategy like really fast. If you stick to your mindset in trading, you're gonna lose money because data came in fraction of a second. You have to change regarding what the market give you, because the market is like the weather. Weather can change in seconds. So if you have a tornado, if you are on the beach and you join the beach and everything's good, then you have a big tsunami. You can't predict tsunami 100%, but it will happen. You're gonna stay in the beach, of course. You're gonna run. You change your you change your plans because there is tsunami coming in. The same with the market, man. If you told me just chill on the beach because your plan is chilling at the beach and swimming, I'm telling you no, heck no. There's a storm coming. Okay, K&TE, we have a consolidation zone here. So I'm waiting for the $2.44. Now is not good for entry for K&TE. Not good. We took so long to break. Look at this, man. Big seller still there. Big seller. We'll see if we have a big buyer or not if we don't have a huge pullback until the $1.95. Because if we went there, we're gonna take a bit of time to go back toward the $2.44. So the short is adding now. Watch out, the short is adding. PXMD, I checked, John. Nothing much happening. Volume is really light. We still trending sideways between the support and resistance. For Life W, on the other hand, let me just check it for you, brother. For Life W, nothing much. We are below the 828 for Life W, so we have to break this level first. TSHA, on the other hand, 60%. Okay, this one is moving. This one is moving, but I don't like the chart. No, I don't like the chart, man. Don't like the chart. Doesn't look good. Yeah. So this one might go toward the $2.70 and then flush. Yeah, flush coming up pretty soon for this one. We have a major resistance coming up for this one, $2.76. So we're gonna go there and then go down once again. If we went down, on the other hand, we have to have a bit of support there. Yes, let's see if we have a support around $1.67. Profit taken after that, 386, 496, and 686. Really funny. I didn't make that up, man. It was by chance. Okay, I will keep this one because it look okay. Microvision, nothing changed, brother. Support is still there. Resistance 279. Okay, Microvision, yeah, not good, not bad. We have a great bottom that we reversed from lately over the $1.82. So it looked good for a bottom reversal. PSFC. Let's check this one. Theodore asked about the bottom for this one. Let's check again this one. If we ready to pull back. Yes, it's pulling back. Watch out, guys. This one is pulling back. It's pulling back hard. This one, there's no news, there's no action. No action. So this one, we don't have a bottom, brother, so don't try to buy the bottom for this one. This one, we have to wait until we test the 42, otherwise it's not wise to enter. We have a huge hidden seller here. It's not wise to trade below the 42, really not wise. Tasha, or yeah, we'll name the stock Tasha. Still pumping, 74. It's going toward the $2.76 as we said. This is the resistance. We might have a test, then a pullback. 75, 76. It's getting near. It's getting near, guys. I think we're missing another, how much here? We're missing another 15%. This will take us almost toward the 90% up. And this will be over. After that will be over. The rocket will go down to earth. And hopefully this rocket is made by SpaceX because you know, if usually the rockets, NASA rocket, go up then broke down. But now all the rocket company have the blueprint, I think, for SpaceX, so everybody can do the same thing, that launching the rocket then make it go down safely. So now we have to watch out for this stock, if it's reusable rocket or not. What I mean by reusable rocket is this stock or this rocket going up, let's say to put astronaut on the space station, and once it go down, it should go on the base to refuel, then go up once again. This is the way we should have it with the stock. Wow, this one is still holding. Targets, it was a good hunt, of course, and still pumping, man, it's still pumping. We already exited from this trade. As we said yesterday, we did this short analysis update for target. And now, still holding the breakout zone that we had for today. So yeah, if you are in target, you just make sure to take profit now or around the 138. Otherwise, you're gonna lose some profit. So make sure to take profit before a pullback, because we did a nice jump, 17%. 17. Tasha, it's pulling back, of course. Pull back time, guys. Pull back. You see here, we're getting near a resistance. That's it. We're getting near a resistance. Let's see if we have a reversal here over the 170. We have two support for this one to go to. Two area of reversal, 169, 129. This is it. This is it. K&TE, guys, this one was a risky trade. That's why we exited there before the breakout, because I don't like the reaction. I see a bit of weakness. Some of you said, why you sell, Jesus? Why? The reason why is that I don't want to be holding a stock and lose the profit that I made by entering here. If I'm still holding, I will be in the red right now. So the idea here to have opportunity costs, you know. Always think of it like this. When you enter a trade, think about making money first, then maximize your gain. What I mean if you entered here and you have a profit, you have to decide. Otherwise, you're gonna lose money. If you see a bit of weakness, you exit quickly with the profit. If you see a sign of strength, you could add even your position for a huge pump up. For this one, I made my decision. I exited because I saw a weakness. Price went down. So if I don't exit here, I will lose the profit and I will be in stress. However, if you exit, you'll be ready for a better entry, either here or there, whatever the case will be. For this one, we'll see if we have a pullback. Let me just check if we have another support. Let me just check how much we can pull back here. 16%. Yeah, we might. Look at this, guys. If we held here, will be a good reversal. If we held here, we're gonna go toward the 276 really quick. If we don't hold here, is me, we're gonna go toward the 169. This is it. This is it for Tasha. Mike Ronald, ASTS. I will check it for you, brother. Burrow came from a deep sleep. I'm gonna check it for you, brother. So let me just check first. ASTS, Mike, Magic Mike. Yeah, Magic Mike. I didn't watch this movie, Magic Mike, for Matthew McConaughey movie. Some my friends told me this is a movie for gay people, but I don't care about if it's for gay people or not. If the movie is good, I will watch it. Magic Mike, I think is called Magic Mike. Let me just check it. If it is the name. Exactly, Magic Mike. Exactly, man. Yes, Magic Mike. Yeah, it's about a stripteaser performer. Exactly. When I told my friend I want to watch this movie, he said, "Man, what you doing?" And yeah, it's kind of interesting because Matthew McConaughey is my favorite actor, actually. And he did the movie because he was open-minded, at the same time doing roles he never did before, you know. So the same come to us, you know. If you are tell me that this movie is for gays, or this thing you should do. Okay, I'm gonna do it because you said you shouldn't do it, you know. I don't know why people just tell you to never try something or never do something because they see it is not appropriate or something, but they never question themselves why so. ASTS. Okay, ASTS hit the profit taken around the 476, everybody. 476. So this is the resistance. And let me just check. Yes, sir. We might have a pullback for this one. Magic Mike. I'm gonna call you Magic Mike, brother. This is it. So yeah, we got you know, the support. Yeah, this one is breaking, guys. ASTS is breaking. Interesting level here. We got some levels to test and go to after that. Let me just check how much we can do if we broke. Yeah, 13%, 40%. Yeah, ASTS looking good, guys. And this one doesn't look good. Broke the support. K&TE, yes, is holding. We held perfectly here, 2.23. We have a new support, guys, for K&TE. PXMD is started to pump once again. As we said, guys, PXMD need time. Okay, need time, and the stop loss should be really wide if you want to enter now, because this one is light on volume, still light, and the volatility will come once we break the 290. Now it's not bad. K&TE, we might have the squeeze now. This is it. K&TE. Okay, Burrow 17%, but it's still sleeping, brother. This one kind of still sleeping. You know why? Because we're still below the 37. Yeah, 37 is the resistance for this one. ASTS looking good. We kind of have a breakout now. ASTS looking interesting now. And K&TE is about to do crazy thing. If we held the 2.24, is me game on. This is it. Game on for K&TE if we broke the 2.24. If we held the 2.24. Of course, this one's going down to the depths. Okay, guys, K&TE is about to squeeze. This is it. This is it. K&TE 2.44. Come on, how long are we gonna consolidate here? This is madness. We should have something. We should get or have something drastic now. ASTS. Oh man, this one is crazy. TNX, we didn't break the 53. Watch out, everybody. 53. SPRC 869 is the resistance. We didn't break it. So this one, not today. Yeah, we got big seller. We lost a bit of momentum here. Okay, man, this one, come on. What's going on here? Is just crawling up, crawling. Nothing much. Whoa, Evolo, yes, Evolo is about to test the 55, everybody. We got alert for this one. Is about to squeeze 55, resistant. We already did chart analysis update for it, this one. We might have a huge squeeze for this one if we broke the 55, everybody. So watch out. Let me just check if we have another level to take profit. It's not clear. It's not clear. So Evolo started to move, guys. We have a big mover here. $55 for Evolo. Yesterday was sleeping Evolo, brother. Nothing much. Today we have some news, that's why it's moving. Johnny, that's why we have to prepare before the market open, brother. That's why we do a pre-market alert each day before the market open to prepare for those stocks before the market open. Once the market open is already, some stocks are already over. And of course, some stocks like this Target, we hunted yesterday before the move. So if you come on the live streaming, we close our trade for this one after the move of 15%. So if you watch our live streaming, it will be already gone because we already discussed Target yesterday. Look at this. Yesterday before the market closed. So if you want to trade those stocks, you have to be ready before the market open. And you buy before even. Because once we do our live streaming, we already have the strategy. We already have the trade. We already trigger our profit taking. And we might have an entry for some stocks. But most often we prepare before the market open, brother. Good question. Made a sweep. Great hunt, brother. Great hunt. Okay, K&TE still struggling. I'm still watching this one closely, everybody. I'm still watching this really closely. K&TE. We might have a squeeze, everybody. We might have a squeeze. K&TE. I think we have a squeeze right now, man. K&TE. Oh boy. Oh boy, we have the squeeze. K&TE pumping, guys. Watch out. We have a hidden seller. Are we gonna have a flush here? Watch out. This is really critical. We need to hold over the $2.44. Come on, we need another pump. Watch out, this one has been preparing for days. Yes, $2.49. Man, I think we have a hidden seller, guys. So watch out. Watch out. There's a hidden seller here. He's not moving. I think he's watching our live streaming, guys. This seller, he watching our live streaming. Come on. Okay, good. Good. Let's see. Okay, it's pumping. K&TE. It's pumping. I think I'm gonna close a bit of profit here. Yes, baby. It's pumping. I'm gonna exit a bit, taking a bit of profit. Let's see if we have another entry here. Okay, I'm good now. I'm good. Okay, perfect, guys. We have a nice breakout for K&TE around the $2.45. We held and we did a nice jump here, almost 7%. Okay, so if we have another pump, it should be around the $2.95. And after that, will be a bit risky. Duck Airline. We living in the cancel culture, brother. So if someone ban you here on YouTube, this is normal. Nobody actually can take the truth anymore. We living in the fake world right now. So welcome to our new generation, brother. Duck Airline. It's really sad, I know, really sad when some people talk about the truth, reality of things, and try to help people. People take it personally and block you, you know. So yeah. K&TE, what a crazy hunt for this one. PXMD, not ready yet. ASTS, okay. This one, yeah, this one, guys, is now or never. We have a bit of accumulation here. So we have to have a reversal from now toward the 2.76. So here is the reversal zone, guys. This should be the reversal, otherwise we're gonna have a flush. So watch out. We should reverse from here. Evolo, yes, big seller around the 55. That's why we don't break. I will keep it up just in case. K&TE is still pumping, guys. This one is still pumping. This one we might have moon landing, guys. This one we might have moon landing. K&TE, we might have a moon landing. Okay, we got a breakout again. We might have a breakout for K&TE again. Watch out. Yes, we might have a breakout again. Still not ready, not ready yet, so I'm not buying now. Yeah, this is it. I think we're gonna have a bit of pullback. Duck Airline, can you give us an example why other YouTubers ban you in the in the comment section? Why they ban you, brother? SMR, tell us about next level. Tell us that SMR moving slowly and steadily up. Let me just check this one. Yes, light float, brother. I will never buy this one, brother. This is not good, man. Not good. It's really risky. It's not healthy. This won't look really healthy now. Okay. Irie. This one is a new IPO that went toward the 600 and now just $12. Yo, Irie is moving. You see, one of our hunters just warned us. Maxime, thank you, brother, for warning us for this one, because it started to move. Yes, started to move. Ivory. Guys, this one, yesterday we have double top around the 1579. If we're gonna squeeze today, we have to break this level again. 1579. Tell all the hunters. Tell all the hunters this one is about to squeeze. Yeah, John, exactly. You see, from our last Zoom meeting, we talk about the 913. So we said if we held the 913, there's a chance for reversal. Was a good reversal because this is it. If we broke the 913, would be a really weak, but we held it. This is really good. Now we need another move, everybody, toward the 1579, and hopefully we don't have another top here and give us triple top and get shorted. So this is a scenario in the equation, still there. PXMD is going to the red zone. To the red zone. You know what? I think we got a seller there. Yeah, around the 249. They lowered their position, those bastards. Okay. You know, you don't have to be angry from the short sellers or anybody. This is the game, you know. Don't hate the game, hate the player. So this is the game. The game is everybody want to take your money. So watch out. We have greedy people everywhere. Okay. I got bad by KC show. But what did you say, man? What have you done? If you use bad language, of course, everybody will ban you. Aha, so you told them to sell before the resistance. Oh, brother. You know, I think this is... I don't know. They're afraid of some legal issue, maybe, you know? You don't have to sell or buy to anybody. Sky, thank you, brother, for the grammatic correction. However, if you understand what I meant, what I say, it's okay. There is no need to know about break or broke, the past tense or the present tense. The most important thing we know, if we break or broke or broken or whatever, you know that you should sell or buy. You don't have to complicate things, you know. That's what I do if I want to learn any language, guys. The problem of learning the language is complexity, you know. You make it more hard to learn anything by following the rules. For instance, like this, if you want to learn a language, don't care about the past or the present or whatever or the grammar, just care about listening and repeating, and not try to be perfect on pronouncing words or sentences or whatever. You just speak like a little child and make mistakes. This is make you learn any language faster, even if it's not perfect. At least you understand, at least you use something, you know. You don't have to be perfect at anything, even playing guitar. When I start to play guitar, I start to be really bad at it, then improving every time, you know. You don't have to be perfect at anything because it's impossible. And if you want to learn, let's say 5 languages, try to learn the basic, you know, and make the wheel rolling. And I think this is the trick to learn everything, you know, to be simple as possible and don't care about making mistakes. Freebo, you know that you don't have to learn the language in order to understand the other person. You don't have to speak even. I will give you an example. The most beloved animal is the dog or the cat. And people prefer animals like cats and dogs than other people. You know why? Because the animals don't speak and listen. This is it. That's what animals do. That's what cat and dogs do. They just look at your eyes and never speak and listen to you and just touch you and give you love. And this is the only thing you need to understand the other person. Even if you don't understand their language, you just be compassionate enough to listen to them and say nothing, man. And say nothing, and people will love you. Because the 12 years old kid, he make a trouble, he make mistakes, he talk a lot, he make nonsense, he's not focused, he don't listen. That's why the 12 years old, he can be an English teacher, of course. Of course. You don't have to teach. I'm not saying to be a teacher or an expert. I don't say to be an English teacher or you have to be expert. I don't say that. You said it's hard to understand people if you don't understand the language better. No, you don't have to understand even the language. You just be there. You just listen. And we'll give you an example, brother. Next time, if you have your friends, next time when you go out with them, don't speak. Just listen to them. And they will love you more. This is the simple trick to make people love you. Don't speak. Exactly, next level. Maxine does. He said that's why you love us. Exactly, brother. Because I'm the only one who speak and everybody listening, and this is good. This is a good way of communication. If someone speak and the other listen, if both parties speaking, there's no understanding will come to play. Is it frozen? I don't know. I think from your phone or from your laptop. I think everybody can see the camera okay. Thank you, John. Now I understand. I don't read your full thing about. Now I understand your question, Fribo. The reason is why we have 12 years of English and written in schools, diploma in high school. Why? Because our school system is really outdated, brother. All the things in college and things like the way of studying is really outdated, brother. I'm just telling you the truth. So it's not important to have this too much hours in studying. The best way of learning, for my opinion, and the school lack is by acting, by talking. Is not by studying the book. Book never actually teach you about life sometimes. So you have to act, you have to speak, you know? And depends on what you want to be. If you want to be, I don't know, poet or a book writer, of course, you have to do 12 years. But I'm speaking about understanding the language, basic, you know? Just go from your daily life, do your whatever. If you go to like United States or Canada, you speak to people or speak to everybody in the world. You just need basic grammar. You don't need to have like the perfect grammar, you know? Freebo, I think you have to watch a movie about this. There's a movie. Guys, if you can listen to this, really, really funny story. And will make the point home with Freebo. Brother, there's a story about a girl and a guy. They fall in love. The girl is from Japan and the guy from the United States. Both of them got married and you don't understand each other nothing. They just fall in love like this without understand each other. They just use Google Translate and by sign language. Then they started to commit and understand their language, to understand English and Japanese. Once they got proficient and understand their language, they got divorced. True story, brother. True story. So what you tell me right now, by having high level of English between two parties, make them have better understanding. What you tell me about this story? Okay, K&TE is still consolidating and holding. Nice, man. This one might have another pump. IRE not good for now. PXMD not now. Evolo not now. AST is looking good. ASTS looking good. So guys, we have K&TE. We might have another breakout. This one we might have another update later on, guys, on our unicorn hunt, because we always do update for you guys for those stocks. Last time we did for IRI and we said the 1579 is the resistance and the support is the 913. You see what's happened here? We reversed for IRI from the support and we went higher. You see what's happened here? We reverse just near the $9.13 and we reverse. So after we finish our live streaming, guys, we're gonna do update for K&TE on our Discord on Unicorn Hunt. If you want to join our Discord, you can. First, you have to join our Patreon on those level, either the Discipline, King level or the Elite, and then you can have access directly to our Discord here. Okay, so you have to join first Patreon, then you have access to our Discord. Yeah, I watched Bullet Train. It's really funny. And it's kind of unique way of I never saw a movie like this. It's kind of unique. And the best part of Bullet Train, once Brad Pitt was talking to a guy, and the guy, he misunderstood Brad Pitt by thinking he's actually offering him like a sex. He's paying, like, he told him like, are you willing to do anything for $100? And the guy in front of him, he said, okay. He thought like he offering like I don't know, something sexual or something, you know? And it was really funny because they speak English and they misunderstood each other. It was really funny moment, no? For my favorite part in Bullet Train. Exactly, man. It was really good. Yeah, Bill Hutchin, he actually play in Magic Mike as well with Matthew McConaughey. You see, even if you have good English, sometimes we misunderstood each other, you know, by this kind of thing. Intuition and the feeling, you know, because Brad Pitt, it was he looking at him in sexual way, you know, he came in the train. It was kind of interesting because usually people want those kind of interaction, because meeting someone in a train or something like this is kind of romantic, you know. A lot of movies talking about this kind of thing. You meet someone you don't meet before and sitting in your seat and talking to you like this. It's kind of, you can get it like this without saying the word, you know. It was perfect scene. Okay, this one pumped down. Okay, not bad. It was wise for us not entering once again for this one. Yeah. PXMD is again moving. I will watch PXMD, guys, for a break from the $2.49. Would be good. BCDA no more. Yes, BCDA no more. Broke the support. We have another support now. This is the bottom, the 76. This should be the bottom here. Otherwise would be kind of game over. Evolo got shorted just below the 55 as we discussed it. And whoa, Tasha. Whoa, man. What a nice reversal for Tasha. Yes, reverse just over our box. Nice reversal. Really not bad. I would put it down then. IRE, it's tricky here. AST, okay. Okay. Not bad. Not bad, everybody. Imagine, guys, if we have the metaverse in trading, and the chart will change as a game. Like you can see, like this is a really good idea. What you think, guys? If we have the chart like now, you can see now we have red and green, red and green. Okay, buying, selling, buying, selling. Yes. So my opinion, in the future, trading will change from just 2D reaction, buying and selling, to metaverse, which is take you inside the not the chart, but the chart will change to a field or a battlefield. So it will be like visual fighting between buyer and seller. And this will change the trading, because trading will be as a game, not just a chart or buying and selling, but as a game. So you actually fight inside the game in order to win. And I don't know, if you put money, let's say you open position like 100K, you're gonna have more guns and more equipment with you. If you open a trade with just 1,000, you enter the field with nothing, like with just an arrow. This would be a really funny way to trade the market in the future. PXMD, nice. PXMD is moving, everybody. PXMD is moving. We have a resistance to break for PXMD, guys. $2.49. We have to break this level first. Volume is picking up, almost 500,000 now. Yeah, Tasha's looking interesting. Good reversal here. But again, John, watch out for the $2.79. This is the most important level to break for this stock. PXMD, not yet. We have the $2.49 to break now for PXMD. Guys, I will come in just 5 minutes. We're gonna do a cup of tea, and keep me posted about PXMD. I will keep the chart here. Just yell at me. Just yell. Tell me, Jesus, come. If we have a squeeze, just yell in the chat section. I will feel it, I don't hear you if you scream, but I can feel it. So 5 minutes, guys. Don't move anywhere. Just cup of tea and come. Okay, nothing much. Nothing much. We have a test around the $2.49, but we didn't break. Yeah, good point, Midasweep, yeah. The long is winning. The long or the bulls are winning. In the short term, of course, we got a winner bulls. DKNG here. FUBO doing really good. FUBO, what a huge reversal from the bottom. Interesting reversal. Tesla, we have a breakout, guys, for Tesla. Yo, watch out, Tesla is breaking 236. Interesting break, guys. Okay, we'll lower the support here. Really interesting scenario. Really not bad. NIO doing all right, 7%. Shopify the same. CVNA 7%. We have a breakout as well for CVNA here. Yeah, we have a good market, guys. Really good market now. Really good market. Let's check the crypto market. Yeah, it's doing all right. It's doing all right here. But we have a little flash or flush for the crypto market. BTI reversed from the $3.32. We got still resistant there. So BTI not bad. TUP not bad as well. Look at this. We have a good reversal from this bottom. Nikola going $1.15. Nice. You see what's happened here? We reversed from the 84. We got a good reversal. Nikola will keep it up here. CLLS. Whoa, this one looking interesting as well. AMC, nothing much. We're still below the $8.38. Yeah, big seller. See what's happened here for AMC. We have a test for this AMA. Price went down. CDO on the other hand, nothing much. You know what I'm gonna do here, guys? I'm gonna lower those stocks down for a chance for a hunt later on. Really not bad. And then we go back to this one. This one is not finished yet. No, not by a long shot. It's not finished. Tasha, what a crazy dump down again. So now we're gonna fill this box, guys. We're gonna go toward this box, and not that box, but precisely over this AMA. PXMD, a huge rejection. Test for the $2.49. We don't close over it, just a test, guys. But still looking good because the volume is picking up. ASTS looking good. IRE not good. Evolo reversing. Okay, so we have to watch which one. Yeah, this one look interesting still. HRTX. Yeah. I'm not interested in this one, man. Yeah. We are below the $2, not good. We have to break the $1.10, brother. And hold over the first support to 70 cents. in order to have the 134, and of course the other one should be $1.83. So yeah, this one is not ready yet until we break the 110 cent. Rajiv Mohan Oliveira. Wow, good name, man. Your name is remind me of a king in the African Sahara. Good morning, brother. Good morning. Here, good afternoon. You should say good afternoon, Jesus, because here is almost 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. That's why I drink my hot tea with, of course, bien sûr, dark chocolate. 74% chocolate. So this one we did 30% from the market open, and that one as well. HRTX and K&TE, both of them did 30% once the market opened, and pre-market did 30%. Let's go on the top volume gainer list. Tesla's the number one, of course. After that, we got K&TE, and then Palantir plug. Palantir, we got some resistance around the 20. We didn't break it yet. Raven, 4%. Let me just check. Raven, 4%. AMD. Neo, we got Amazon down 1%. Target is still on the target. Mara is moving because Bitcoin is moving. We'll check Mara later. The other one, we got JD. Made us weep. Be careful. This is a sign of addiction, but this is kind of healthy addiction, not that bad. But now I come to realize that everybody have an addiction. One way or another, you have to fight an addiction. The best way to find a healthy addiction, it's like doing sport or even doing sport is not good if you do it too much without eating healthy and sleeping well. You're gonna destroy your body. So balance, man. Balance for everything. So if you think about trading even in the weekend is not good for your mental health, you have to relax. You have to forget about trading. Just one day. Do something else. HRTX. Yeah, brother, this one we have to break the $1.10 still. Super Steven. He's an ape. He's literally an ape. He said you should tell people about AMC actively diluting. We already talked about this before, brother. Either you came a bit late or you didn't hear what we said. We already talked about the dilution. Everybody knows about the dilution. However, the dilution will happen if we have reverse split once again and the price go below the reverse split price once again. So this will be a dilution. Otherwise, it's not dilution yet until we have the reverse split and go down. Super Steven, you know that stock reverse split is doable. Even if you did it once, you can do it an infinite amount of time. Or it depends on the shareholders. If they agree about another reverse split, if the price go below the $1, they're gonna do it once again. So there is no regulation, there is no law prevent a stock reverse split or stock split. Yeah, he would never say that, brother. He would never say that. He would never bring this up because we're still above the $1. But this would be an equation if we went below the $1 once again. Next level, never dream about stocks and never trade what you dream about. Not good strategy. If you come late, we talked about AMC rejection zone that happened on the market open exactly around our AMA. See this test? This is really breaking point or turning point for AMC, because this area will give us the signal if the short added once again, because if we don't break it, we're gonna go toward the 7, and this is will give us, yes, 12% down for AMC if we went there. A good perspective, brother. However, everything is doable or possible in market. Never say this is will never happen. Nobody actually expected that the AMC will go below the $1 once we were around the $70. So don't put this outside the equation. Everything is possible. Almost finished, yes. Let me just check SMR. Yeah, we have a huge dip after the bad earnings. I think 8th of November, yes. So yeah, for that one, I don't trust this one, but we have a support to hold. Otherwise, we're gonna have a new low below the $1, $2.23. This one is a pretty risky because we have two big sellers. Just in October and November, big sellers came for this stock. So if we don't break the $3.05, is game over for this one. Yes, if we don't break the $3, game over. If we don't break the $3, and of course, you see here, we test this AMA, then go down, break the support, game over. So we need to hold the 222, break the 3 to have another pump for SMR. Remember guys, we're gonna do update later on here on our unicorn hunt for the stock that we hunted today. And we're gonna do elite 1-day swing trade like what we did yesterday, TGT. If we have a good setup, we're gonna put it here, guys. And of course, we have Baba earnings tomorrow. So we have to update you guys for the short update. Yesterday, we have a really good request from our hunter regarding Baba earnings. Aman, one of our elite hunter. So Aman, if you hear our live streaming right now, if you watching our live streaming, just stay tuned for the elite 1-day swing trade, because we're gonna do a short analysis like what we did for Target yesterday. We're gonna do it for Baba for today. Before the market close, of course, for price entry, either we long or we short, depending on the levels that we're gonna do today before the market close. So see you later, guys. The party is not over. As we said, the party is not over. We're gonna take it there on our Patreon and Discord. Thank you for watching, everybody. Tomorrow, as usual, the live streaming will be around 3 p.m. CET or 30 minutes before the market open. So join our party early. Thank you for attending our live streaming. Thank you for the support and the love. And see you by tomorrow. Cheers, everybody.